Welcome to Mipa Paints. In today's technical video, we will be covering a finishing filler, P118 Ultra. This will go straight over bulk filler to fill in pinholes. It's a very nice glaze to it, and the percentage is 2% of hardener to 98% of filler. So the way I mix up filler is I put the filler in there and then I put the hardener over here. So that's my 2%, that's my 98%. So I'm going to mix this in now, but I'm going to mix it in a certain way, as if to, so when you're mixing your filler, you don't want to fold your filler, because what you're going to do is put air bubbles or air pockets in the filler, and then it's going to create pinholes when the filler is cured on the car. So I'm just going to literally take that, put that in there, and I'm going to use the end or the edge of my spreader just to go round and round and round to mix the hardener into the filler. Once I've mixed all of the hardener into the filler, so if that filler turns bright red, you know that you've got way too much hardener in it. So I go round and round and round, mix it all in. Once I've got to a point and I can see all the hardeners now mixed in with the putty, I scoop it up, and then I'll spread the filler right across the board. So what you're doing is, theoretically, you're pushing all the air out of the filler, and you're using the whole board to push that air out of the filler. So this 118 Ultra is a finishing filler, but it will also fill in, you know, very small dents. But the panel, before you put your filler into it and prep your panel, needs to be pre-cleaned with solvent pre-clean. So I'm just going to do that. So you wipe it on, just like that. And then you can wipe it off with the other side of the cloth, just so you're getting any contamination off the surface and any grease off the surface. Before you put your filler in, the last thing you want to do is trap that under your filler. So this 118 Ultra has good properties for filling in pinholes. So when you've got it on your pad and it's all mixed, then you put it into your panel, and you can rub this down with 80 grit, 180. The area could do with being prepped with 180 to 240, and even 80 in some cases. So I'm now going to put that in that area, and I'm going to put my filler over the dent like so. And hopefully all my pinholes will be filled. So this P118 Ultra is a good finishing filler, like I've said before. It goes off in 20 minutes at 20 degrees, which is kind of worktop temperature really. It goes off really well. You can flat it with 180, 240, and then it'll give you a nice finish for your 2K primer to go over it. That was Mipa P118 Ultra. If you would like to know any more information, please click the link below. Thank you for watching.